Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Your Beauty. Today we're creating a easy red flamed purple eye look. This look right here. And if you like to see how I created this look, just keep watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get started. I didn't use any of the shades from the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette for transition. For a transition shade, I'm using a Magnetic Personality shade from the Balm. It's this nude color right here. And that's the one I'm going to use for a transition shade. To apply this color, I'm going to use the Morphe M441 brush. I think with this lockdown, I've gained like 5 pounds. I'm pretty sure a lot of people have, but I know for a fact I have. Guess I just gotta work it on off. It's okay though. Sometimes 5 pounds is, I don't want to say good, but hey, 5 pounds is 5 pounds. Just gonna have to lose it now. First shade from the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette is called Therapy Sheesh. Y'all know these names just be cracking me up. I'm sorry. Therapy Sheesh. Whatever. Therapy Sheesh. It's this purple color right here. This is the first color that we're gonna use. And I'm going to apply this color with the Morphe M573 brush. Y'all know I love that brush. This brush is, I did a video doing a one brush method, and this was the video that, this was the brush that I used. And if you haven't seen that video, I can link it at the end of this one. Because you don't have to have a lot of brushes, just one good one, in my opinion. I'm gonna bring this color down kind of heavy-handed, so I'm gonna hold the brush closer, hold my hand closer to the end of the brush, so it'll be a little bit more heavy-handed, because we're only doing a half cut crease today, and I want the pressure to be a little bit more. If you want the pressure to be lighter, always slide your hand back furthest from the brush. Same brush, second shade is called Not My Journey, and it's this purple right here. We're gonna apply it right under Therapy Sheesh. I'm not even going to do that again. It's a deeper purple. Again, I'm going to hold my hand closer to the end of the brush right here, since we're only doing a half cut crease. No extra product. I'm going to slide my hand further from the end of the brush just to blend it out. Because this is a very deep purple, to cut my crease, I'm going to use the makeup wipe method. And if you guys haven't seen my video posted on that, I will link that as well at the end of this video. And we're just doing a half cut crease today. But with this method, it really takes away the product. So you can start off with a clean crease. And it's very easy, very quick, because sometimes when you cut the crease with the product already on there, a lot of times if the product is like a deeper color, it will bleed through whatever you're cutting the crease with. I'm going to apply the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, which is just it's a white pencil, but right now because I cut this crease already, it has a little purple product on it, but it is a white pencil. And I'm also going to use my favorite detailing brush. which if you have any kind of flat brush, it'll work, because I definitely don't know where I bought this at. But my eyelid is clean. It looks a little red on camera. I think it's just from the purple shade that was on there, because these shades, I noticed, do stain your eyelids, just so you know. But that doesn't bother me. I'm also going to set this. With some setting powder. But your crease is clean nonetheless, and you can go and apply whatever color you're going to use to cut your crease. Now we're about to add our flames to our flaming red purple look. I'm going to use the Morphe M433 brush, and the shade I'm going to use is called My Man. It's this bright orange shade right here. And I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but it's very bright. So that's the shade that we're going to be using. So toward the inner crease, I'm adding the red shade, and I'm going to use the Morphe M506 brush, and the red shade is called Heart On, and it's this red shade right here. And the reason why I switched to the Morphe M506 brush is because it's smaller, so I can get it in the corner better. Wanted to overlap on the orange just a little bit to blend it. Every shade that we applied at the top of our lid, we're going to apply to the lower lash line. I'm going to use this eyeliner brush from Daniela. It's like a slanted eyeliner brush. So the first shade is Not My Journey, which is a darker purple. Second shade on top of that one is Therapy Sheesh. We know what it is. Third shade is My Man. And then the fourth shade is Heart On. And again, I like using the slanted brush because it controls the product, because a lot of these shades are not recommended towards the eye. And then I get a slanted Q-tip because I want it to look like liner, and kind of go under it to blend it in. For eyeliner, we're still using the Wet n Wild 16 Hour Boyfriend Proof. What is it called? Breakup Proof. The Wet n Wild 16 Hour Breakup Proof eyeliner. I'm still using that until it's used out, and then I'll test a new one. Maybe not, maybe not. So I'm gonna get quiet because, again, you guys know, if you've been following me since the very beginning, for some reason shooting this eyeliner while you guys are watching makes me nervous. So here we go. I wanted to do something a little different this time, so I'm going to add the Fenty Beauty highlighter in Confetti. It's like an iridescent, and it has a little purple in it. I don't know if it'll pick up on camera, but I'm gonna add that right here. Just something a little different. And I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and kind of play around with it just a little bit to blend it. mascara, still the same one that I love, the Smashbox Super Fan. When I do some makeup shopping, I guess I'll find me another mascara and hope it's like this one, but this is my favorite. You guys know that already. It's only because my eyelashes are very sparse and I don't wear falsies. So I always try to look for a very good mascara. If you guys know one that I can try, please leave it in the comments section below. I'll try anything if it's good. I used some of that same Fenty highlighter in Confetti. I added it to my cheekbones. For lip gloss, I'm still using the ColourPop's Frozen 2 Collection lip gloss, which is this shade right here. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Till next time, thanks for watching. Bye.